drop down button. So this button mainly used for list outing certain items. After list outing certain items, when you on press it, the item was visible on the screen. So nothing but it representing the item in the drop down list. So it gives the value, which value is equal to your certain value, then the value should be appear in the screen. So let's see how to creating the drop down button. So in the body center, you are going to provide some of and characters that representing the widget is called drop down button. So especially it is using a string value. So we are giving a string followed by we are providing a value. So this value is specifying the current selected value in the drop down. So in this code, we are going to give some of an string value. So it provide a string value to be constant in the string. So followed by we are giving an icon. This is used to specifying the icon that appear the right of the drawer box, not your drawer box, sorry, drop down button. So in this case, we are using the icon as a menu. The menu icon was shown like this image. So I provided this menu icon. Followed by we are going to use a style. This style is allows a customize the text to select the items in the drop down code. So I selected it as in black color. So this black color followed by we are going to use underline this widget that appears below the drop button. So in case we are using a certain header like a flutter, the flutter under you can see that is an underline. So like this purpose we can able to create using the underline widget. Followed by we are going to use a height too. So it use 2 pixel and followed by certain color has an black. So this properties are created when this properties was to run. So for that we are going to give some of a condition. That condition should be when the string value which you provided before, that value should be equal to the new value. So for that I giving a drop down value. So which mentioned as a value, the value should be equal to my new value. So when we provided the item, so item should be in certain value. So I'm giving a certain value. First value should be 1 and second value should be an text 1. So this drop down menu item representing the item dropping down. So each value should having a certain text. So we are giving an value 1 to be 1 and followed by 2 and followed by 3. So in this certain way you can able to create a list. So this list is our drop down value. When you are giving the new value, it should be highlighted in your screen. So let's see when run the code, you can get the output certain output like this. So first we are mentioned that he's an a constant value that should visible in the screen. So the value should be an drop down value. When that is when you can able to click, you can see a certain listed value is displaying. When you press, it works under the on changed functions when the drop down value is equal to new value. So now my new value is to be okay. Let's be see my new value should be at 2. So that drop down value also want to be a true. So when I press the 2 value, you see that his and 2 value was visible in your screen. So this method is called as a drop down method. By this way, you can able to create a lot of lists that can appear in the menu bar.